Morning guys, welcome in Cocles. This is the 61st day of me being in Costa Rica. We are in an absolutely lovely location, right in the jungle, surrounded by bamboo trees, agoutis, sloths, monkeys, howler monkeys, and many different animals that you can imagine. But we are also very close to the beach because we are only a 15 to 20 minute walk to one of the best beaches in this area called Playa Cocles. Also very close by there's Playa Chiquita, Playa Punta Uva, and the Puerto Viejo beach. Our hours have been reduced doing Workaway. Initially we started doing this program doing 25 hours a week shifts, and in exchange me and Matt got $100 a week for small expenses and for food shopping. However, the family wasn't able to afford doing that any longer because we've been doing it for 3 weeks. So for our 4th week our conditions have changed, and actually instead of doing 25 hours a week we are only doing 15 hours, but we are not getting that $100, just getting the accommodation for free. But you know, we don't have to pay any bills, and we have a beautiful accommodation with private bathroom. Means we get kind of like 4 days off a week, you know, because right now it's Thursday, so we've been working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and now Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be all to ourselves. So now I'm going to take you to Playa Cocles, which is rated one of the best beaches in this area, and then we'll head towards Puerto Viejo. Today is a beautiful day, but it's very hot. The day started with a pretty bad weather. It was raining so heavily. It was pouring down with rain. I never let rain discourage me because I know the weather here changes very, very quickly. These are the 2 local supermarkets in Cocles. However, if you need a pharmacy, a drugstore, you know, any of those kinds of shops, you have to go to Puerto Viejo. By car it's not a problem whatsoever because it's probably like a 10-minute drive. Walking, it can take up to an hour, at least, especially from our accommodation, which is deep in the jungle. It can take longer to get to Puerto Viejo. Bicycles are very popular here because it's just the easiest way to get from beach to beach to all these different beautiful spots, which are all free to enter. Also, this is a perfect place for free attractions. Also, cars here are very expensive. The other day we rented a car just for 2 days and it ended up costing $92, which was the cheapest option in Puerto Viejo. There are only 2 car rental companies in Puerto, Alamo and Adobe, and actually at least for the 2 days Alamo was cheaper because they have more car options. So we ended up getting a Mini. Also, that's actually important to mention, the price for 2 days, which was $92, was for a Mini. Not anything fancy, not a 4x4 at any means, just the most basic, the cheapest option car, which Adobe didn't have. Climate at the Caribbean coast of Costa Rica, at least the southern Caribbean coast. I haven't been to the north, to Tortuguero, so I can't speak about it. Let's wait for the bike. Extremely humid. I'm sweating right now, and I'm kind of regretting bringing this, and I'm not complaining because I absolutely love it, but just to let you know, people who don't like hot weather, this might be too hot for you for sure. There are many other places in Costa Rica which are way cooler than here. Here it's very humid. We just got to Playa Cocles. This is a pretty long beach, which whenever I come here it's never crowded, always hardly anyone around here, which is just beautiful for a peaceful beach day at Playa Cocles. The sea is usually very rough. This is a perfect spot for surfing. Oh my god, it feels so good to cool down in the sea. Caribbean Sea. I've met a friend here who also lives in the area, and she just started to learn how to surf here, and she also said this is the best place to surf in. For Costa Rica, this beach has a very white sand, nice water. It's not too clear in Manzanillo or Cahuita, but water is much clearer than here. But in these places, especially Manzanillo, you have rocks. Here you have sand. Also right now it's Thursday morning. There's only a handful of people at this beach. Like walking on butter right now. Wow, you guys, this tree is incredible. This is the Cocles Lookout. Very easy viewpoint, which doesn't require massive time to go. And with this beautiful ocean view. Wow. Now we left Playa Cocles and heading towards Puerto Viejo by the coast. We found this swing. It's a palm tree swing, just so lovely here. Matt put me on this swing because it was a bit too high for me. It was a challenge to get on it, and now he will swing me around. Right over the Caribbean Sea. Here's the map of all the different best beaches near Puerto Viejo. This is the Jaguar Rescue Center, Animal Rescue Center, and we actually stay somewhere in the jungle. I would say our house is maybe like around here somewhere, right in the jungle, in Cockles. Then we have Playa Chiquita, which we haven't been to yet, but hopefully we'll go there tomorrow. Punta Uva, beautiful place, we've been there already. Playa Grande, also haven't been, but it's on our list. And Manzanillo with the Manzanillo Wildlife Refuge, so where we were, and I already did a video all about it. So that's the map of this place. Also to the west of Puerto Viejo you also have Playa Negra, Cahuita, and other different beaches around, and a lot of lovely places for snorkeling. Surfing, snorkeling, kayaking. These are the three main spots that you can for sure do here at these beaches. we got hungry and decided it's time to get some food. So we went to the Puerto Viejo town and I ordered some shrimps or prawns, fried shrimps or fried prawns with chips, I think, and a salad. We'll see how it is. And Matt just ordered the classic rice and beans with chicken. So yeah, I can't wait to eat. I've gotten so hungry. As you can see, Adobe car rental is over there. That's Adobe car rental, right in the center of Puerto Viejo, and I'm just waiting for my food. We already made an order. Here it came. My shrimps with chips, some sauce, salad,
and my casados.
Casados!
And contains salads.
Classic. Can't go wrong with some casados. We just got to Playa Negra, the black sand beach here in Puerto Viejo. So, as you can see, as far as I'm aware, this is the only black sand beach around here. You know, it's a personal preference. A lot of people prefer white sandy beaches, but if you want something different, or if you've never been to a black sand beach, then Playa Negra is the one to come to. The black sand beach, as you can see. For some reason, this beach is a lot more popular than the other ones. I feel like it's partly due to the location. It's almost in the town of Puerto Viejo. Right guys, so now we are heading back to the town. Maybe do a bit of a food shop also. We'll see. This is the room that we stay at doing Workaway. It's actually very decent size. There's a lot of storage everywhere. And we have a bathroom here, ensuite bathroom. We had a lovely day just chilling at the beach. Tomorrow we're going to go the other way, most likely to Playa Chiquita, Playa Punta Uva, Playa Grande and Manzanillo. So stay tuned for us going to some more amazing beaches and amazing viewpoints around here. Good night!